SacRT is introducing new smart fare vending machines. We are installing the new fare vending machines at all of our light rail stations, starting on the Blue Line, downtown Sacramento, and then onto the Gold Line this fall. The new machines offer a new user-friendly touchscreen interface. Customers can continue to pay with cash, debit, or credit card, with the added option to purchase fare using Google Pay and Apple Pay. The fare vending machines print single ride tickets, daily, semi-monthly, and monthly passes, with the option to add tickets or passes directly to the Zip Pass mobile fare app. All machines provide an audio voice option and prompt screens in English and Spanish. To learn more about the smart features and more, visit sacrt.com/FVM.